Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Today's topic is omnivores. What is omnivore? Before this, we already have done herbivores and carnivores. Today we will discuss an omnivore. The definition is an omnivore is an organism like humans that eats both plants and animals for sustenance. सस्टेनेंस कहते हैं रिस्क को, यानी कि वो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, वो लिविंग थिंग्स जो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स दोनों को खाते हैं अपनी खुराक के तौर पर। लेट मी गिव यू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दीज लिविंग थिंग्स: बियर, स्क्विरल, एंट, फिश, शंक, स्पाइडर मंकी, hedgehog, bat, turtle, fox. All these are omnivores and they eat both plants, herbs, and animal or flesh of other animals. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and like the video and share it with friends and family.